Responsible with guns.
I believe that very much. Yep.
But you know, we gotta cut the ignorance. We gotta tell some of these folks out here quit being ignorant. You know what I'm saying? But you know, it's all about who's controlling the guns.
So I fully support my peers' right to speak. So I think there's a lot of emotionally charged arguments that aren't necessarily logical, or that they're not necessarily going to create the kind of change that they want. I hear a lot of, hey, we need change, but I don't hear a lot of solutions. I think there's a lot of proposals that aren't necessarily responsible in terms of creating harsher restrictions, and I think there's a lot of people here who weren't necessarily too well informed about this gun control or gun legislation and stuff. And like, for example, somebody said that an 18-year-old can walk into a store and pick up a gun without any background check or anything. That's not true. A good guy with a weapon is the best defense against a bad guy with a weapon. And there were personal stories, but in each of those stories, because I got shot doesn't mean we need to get rid of guns. It means that, you know, eventually somebody with a good gun came in and ended the situation. There was a law enforcement officer. In many school shootings or many massacres, there are other armed citizens with guns that eventually stop it. So we like to say that, man, that person never should have gotten a gun. And yeah, I agree with mental background checks and such. But that doesn't mean that we should make it incredibly difficult for people to get guns. I think it's very wrong to be extremely upset with our politicians, because I think our politicians do a fantastic job, and I think they want the best for our citizens. You know, if you're pro-NRA, you aren't pro-killing kids.